Dear student, welcome to my YouTube channel. Dear student, today we start our topic, that is a division Pteridophyta. You know here we can start our topic here, cryptogams according to classification of plant. You know, according to classification of plant, the plants which are present in the nature or on the surface of earth, they should be classified into two types. That is, plants bears the flower or plants not bears the flower, or non-flowering plant and flowering plant. You know, that is, cryptogams are the non-flowering plant and phanerogams are the flowering plant. You know, we study the cryptogams here. In my earlier just last video lectures, we can study the one cryptogams and division. Under this cryptogam, firstly we study the division Thallophyta, that characteristics of that particular division, then example of that division Thallophyta. Then we study the division Bryophyta, then characteristics of Bryophyta, then example of Bryophyta. Then you have third division in this cryptogam. Third division in cryptogam, they are the non-flowering plant, and that is a division Pteridophyta. You know here, dear student, it is the very important topic here. विद्यार्थी मित्रांनो, अतिशय महत्त्वाचा टॉपिक आहे. क्रिप्टोगॅम जे नॉन फ्लॉवरिंग प्लांट आहे, त्या नॉन फ्लॉवरिंग प्लांट मध्ये आपण अगोदर डिव्हिजन थॅलोफायटा पाहिलं, नंतर डिव्हिजन ब्रायोफायटा पाहिलं, आणि आज आपण या व्हिडिओ लेक्चर मध्ये आपण डिव्हिजन टेरिडोफायटा शिकतोय. Look here, division Pteridophyta, and you know example of this division, that is fern plant. You know, fern plants are the examples of the division Pteridophyta, and you know example, that is ferns. Look toward this diagram of ferns. That plant having the well developed root system is there. Then well developed leaves are present there, leaflets are there, and also the stem. Also the stem means in this plant, that is root, stem and leaves are present. That is, the big plants are there, and these plants having the conductive tissue like xylems and phloems to conduct the water and conduct the food. Means they are vascular plant. Dear student, that is Thallophyta and Bryophyta are non-vascular plant, but here a plant Pteridophyta, division Pteridophyta, they are the vascular plant. That conductive tissues are present, that is xylems and phloems. You know, dear student, xylems can conduct the water. That root absorbs water there, and this water can be transported to the tip of the plant with the help of xylem. Then that leaves synthesize the food during photosynthesis. That food synthesized by leaves get transported towards the root to the downward direction. Means such conductive tissues are present in this plant, and hence they are called a vascular plant. आपण त्यांना vascular plants म्हणतो. विद्यार्थी मित्रांनो, which are the characteristics of this plant? These are non-flowering plants. These are non-flowering plants, hence they are including into the cryptogams. They are non-flowering plants, hence they are called cryptogams, and that is the division Pteridophyta. Secondly, these plants have well-developed root, stem and leaves. Look here, dear student, that roots are present to absorb the water from the soil, mineral and water. The stem is there for erectness, and leaves are there for synthesize the food. Green leaves are there. They can trap the solar energy and synthesize their own food with the help of carbon dioxide and water. Means in this way, these plants have well developed root, stem and leaves. Then again one important point, these plants do not bear flowers. म्हणजे या प्लांट्सला फुले येत नाहीत. Hence they are including into the cryptogams, subkingdom cryptogams there. Means these plants do not bear flower. Then look here, these plants having conductive tissues like xylems and phloems. I explained earlier just here that xylems can conduct the water that root absorbs the water from soil, root and minerals there, and this should be conducted from downward to upward direction to all parts of the plant with the help of xylem. Hence we call that xylems are present for conduction of water. And these plants having the phloem as a conductive tissue there, and phloems conduct the food. Phloems conduct the food. Xylem conduct the water and phloems gets conduct the food. Means such type of conductive tissues are present in this plant. Hence you know they are vascular plant. One important point, both the type of reproduction are present and occurs in this plant, that asexual type of reproduction and sexual type of reproduction. These plants, look here, these plants reproduce asexually by spore formation. Asexual reproduction by spore formation means spores, just like you know we study in Bryophyta, that capsule is present on the moss plant which bears the spore, and spores are just like the seed of the plant. Means they can totally reproduce asexually by spore formation, and they reproduce sexually by gamete formation. Because dear student, you know that is during sexual reproduction two gametes are there, male gamete and female gamete, and that fusion of male and female gamete can be takes place there and to forms a zygote, and that is called a sexual reproduction. Means these plants reproduce asexually by spore formation and sexually by gamete formation, and that ferns is an example, is diagram of that ferns is an example of this division Pteridophyta. Means in this way, dear student, here we complete one subkingdom, that is cryptogams, that is the non-flowering plant. In my next video lecture, we can start the phanerogams, that is the flowering plant. That characteristics of phanerogams, there are different divisions there, and in this way, please watch my another videos to learn the total syllabus there of phanerogams, and just to know classification of phanerogams there, flowering plant. And hence you subscribe my channel there, YouTube channel Science Vision with Bhandekar sir, and to watch all my videos carefully. And in this way, to write the notes in your notebook, to draw the diagrams in your notebook. If that any doubt is there, then please ask to me. Hence, you know that is the topic of division Pteridophyta and you know cryptogams. Thanks for watching this video.